Oppo is expected to hold a launch event in China this October, where the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro are anticipated to make their debut. The event may also introduce other devices, including the Oppo Pad 3 Pro and the Enco X3 TWS earbuds. Oppo Enco X3 to arrive as rebranded OnePlus Buds Pro 3, which launched in China on August 20th. The Oppo Enco X3 may be equipped with dual dynamic drivers comprising an 11mm base driver and a 6mm tweeter unit. It could get features like Bluetooth 5.4, the TWS earbuds are said to get an IP55 rating against dust and water ingress. The earbuds are also tipped to support a 1 megabit per second transmission rate. A BES 2700 ultra-low power main processor may power the earbuds, which may support up to 50 dB adaptive active noise cancellation. Enco X3 could get a 58 mAh earbuds battery and a 566 mAh case battery, which is rumored to support 10W wired charging. The case may also get wireless charging capabilities. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.